In this video, I'll guide you through how to replace a data source in Tableau. This is an essential skill for anyone working with evolving datasets or wishing to update reports seamlessly. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, these steps will help you efficiently manage your data connections in Tableau. First, start by heading over to tableau.com. This is the hub where all your Tableau activities begin. Once you're there, you're going to click on the New button located at the top right of the page. This step is crucial as it allows you to initiate the creation of a new project or workbook. Next, after clicking New, you'll want to select Workbook from the options presented. Think of a workbook as your workspace in Tableau, where all your data visualizations and analyses will take shape. Now that you have your workbook open, it's time to connect to data. Look for the option to connect to data. This is the gateway to linking your Tableau workbook with the data you want to analyze. It's the foundation for all the visualization work you'll be doing. Once you've navigated to the Connect to Data section, click on Connect. This step might seem straightforward, but it's critical because it establishes the link between your data source and Tableau. Now, direct your attention to the top left of your screen and click on Data. This menu is your command center for managing data sources within Tableau. Here, you'll find various options related to data handling. From this data menu, select New Data Source. This is your opportunity to bring in a new data set, which can be particularly useful if your original data source has changed or been updated. By adding a new data source, you ensure that your analyses and visualizations reflect the most current data available. Once your new data source is connected, it's important to close the old source data. This step helps keep your workbook organized and eliminates any confusion or potential errors that might arise from having multiple data sources open simultaneously. Closing the old data source ensures that your workbook is streamlined and only linked to the updated data. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to replace a data source in Tableau. By following these steps, you can maintain accurate and up-to-date reports without the hassle of starting from scratch each time your data changes. Remember, the key to mastering Tableau is practice. So don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different data sets to enhance your skills further. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.